Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video. Today we're talking about Cash App Cash Card Bitcoin back on all purchases. Okay, so if you aren't familiar with Cash App Card, basically they have a card. You send money from your bank to your Cash App balance, then you can spend that balance with this card here, and you can get a bunch of different discounts. This is just a screenshot from my phone. You can see I have the Chick-fil-A activated, and they've been testing 1% Bitcoin back. So there's a lot of companies testing this right now. Cash App is probably going to be the biggest one if they do manage to make it work. So right now, it's only 1% back on 5 purchases, and I believe it's like a $7.50 maximum, just because they're in the testing phase. But yesterday, on their Instagram, they did a Bitcoin AMA. So if you haven't seen this, go ahead and check it out, or I'll just click through it because it'll probably be gone by the time you look. So ask us anything about Bitcoin. You guys can pause these and look at them if you want. So here is the question that is most interesting. Is the Bitcoin boost one time only? So this would be the Bitcoin boost. Just because the Bitcoin boost is expiring, so if we take a look, this boost expires in 2 days. Doesn't mean it won't come back. It might even come back stronger. So in my opinion, that's a hint that Cash App is working on a more robust Bitcoin back feature for their card. And I think it will be Bitcoin back on every purchase, and that would be huge. There's companies working on it right now, but they would be one of the first players to do it. We all know how easy it is to use Cash App. They have the best design, the best execution, all of that stuff, building the best banking and investing app in the game. So let me go ahead and play through the rest of this story. I think the rest of it is just sharing people winning. They were doing a giveaway or something like that. But yeah, there it is. I think they're hinting at something, teasing at something. I think it'll be Bitcoin back on all Cash App card purchases. Let us know what you guys think down in the comments below. Do you think this is gonna happen? Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.